How to access analytics in Discord. Accessing analytics in Discord depends on whether you're looking for data about a server you manage or your own personal activity. If you manage a community server with at least 500 members, you could access Server Insight for data on engagement, growth, and retentions. To do that, you just want to launch open Discord and simply go to your server. There, you then need to go ahead and select your server name or the server settings. So basically, select the server name. You could see the drop down menu. From there, go to server settings. After which, you just want to make sure to scroll down the left sidebar and select server insight. So here, you just want to make sure to go ahead and look for server insight. Since I don't have 500 members, so this particular option isn't available in my case. Just make sure to go ahead and select that, and you could also view insight for all eligible server at Discord developer port as well, or portal as well. And Discord does not have, and as per the personal activity data, Discord does not have a real time personal dashboard, but you can request a full package of your data or view your recap. For that, just want to make sure to go ahead and open up your user settings. Just go back to the very home page. Then select use on the left hand side corner of the screen. After which, you want to make sure to go ahead and scroll down and look for data and privacy section. Underneath, you could find request data. You could go ahead and select request data, and this is where you will be able to go ahead and access analytics in Discord. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.